Most probiotics don't work. Why? Because the majority of friendly bacteria never reach their destination. If you take an off-the-shelf supplement, it's likely only 1% of the bacteria will actually reach your gut and make a difference. And that's the problem with flashy trends and unregulated products. They often promise the world and deliver nothing, leaving consumers disappointed. But when it comes to heights, it's a different story. We think it's more important than ever to look at the underlying science behind probiotics. It was a science-led approach that guided our team in developing our high-impact, all-in-one live bacteria supplement with zinc, which, thanks to our groundbreaking delayed-release capsules and acid-resistant strains, has been proven to deliver 33.9 billion colony-forming units of bacteria alive and active to your gut. These bacteria and zinc work together to create a healthier body and mind combined. I can share statistics like that with confidence due to our unwavering commitment to third-party testing. I'm Joel, one of the co-founders at Heights, where we've made the world's smartest live bacteria supplement, developed with nutritional scientists and gut health care professionals. Our supplement has undergone extensive research and the most rigorous third-party testing, including both laboratory studies in vitro and human trials in vivo, so we can confidently say, unlike other supplements, it's proven to work. When you make big claims, you better have the experts to back it up. Thankfully, we work with two of the world's best, who are both incredibly respected individuals in their chosen fields. Meet Sophie Medlin, a consultant dietitian and head of nutrition research at Heights. She also serves as the chair of the British Dietetic Association for London. And then we have neuroscientist Tara Swart, a scientific advisor here at Heights. So when I considered creating a video about our science-driven approach, it was only fitting to have a scientific expert deliver the information. Sophie has kindly agreed to guide us through some of the key scientific findings of our Biotic.
One of the pivotal studies in the realm of live bacteria supplements was aimed at determining the extent to which these microorganisms survive the journey to your gut. To perform this assessment, we enlisted the help of an independent research lab called ProDigest. They employ an intriguing tool known as the SHIME model, simulator of human intestinal microbial ecosystem, to accurately replicate the conditions within the human intestinal microbial ecosystem. This model is currently the most representative in vitro technology for simulation of the gastrointestinal tract that there is. It provides us with the means to scientifically validate the survival rate of live bacteria introduced through different live bacteria supplements. Thanks to our unique delayed release capsule alongside a few other contributing factors I'll expand on shortly, the findings were impressive. According to their report, the majority of live bacteria present in Biotic successfully reached the colon alive and in an active state. Astonishingly, this equated to as much as 33.9 billion colony-forming units that successfully reached the colon alive, which is much higher than our label claim. This study also tested popular liquid-based supplements with bacteria, a powder-based one, and a standard capsule supplement, and what they found was astonishing. No matter what the format, less than 1% of the live bacteria survive the journey through the upper digestive tract up to the end of the small intestine. In simple terms, very few bacteria in these products make it to the colon alive, which is where they have to do their intended work. We can safely say that Biotic is 50 times more effective than the delivery formats of other leading live bacteria supplements on the market. This is in part due to our delayed release capsule, which takes around 9 times longer to break down compared to regular capsules. This extra time shields the strains from degradation in the acidic stomach environment. On top of that, an acid-resistant proprietary matrix further protects our individual strains. These features combine to create these incredible results. Another significant scientific difference lies in the amounts of live bacteria present in our product even before consumption. Our packaging features oxygen and moisture protection technology, aiding Biotic live bacteria on their path to your gut. Another third-party study revealed that a leading over-the-counter probiotic held only 7.5% of their label claim upon first opening the bottle. In contrast, Biotic contained as much as 200 times more live bacteria than that, holding even more live bacteria than what the label claims. This is a testament to the success of our science-led approach. Many of my patients have said that they felt no impact when using live bacteria supplements, and this is where I tell them that if you've tried products before, it's time to try Biotic, because it's actually proven to make a difference. So with confidence in our supplement survival rate, the next question was about its health benefits and how we could scientifically validate them. Third-party testing of the final product helps confirm that the specific combination of ingredients in their given format actually delivers the intended health outcomes. Often people aren't fully aware what friendly bacteria actually need to do to benefit our health. The effect we're targeting and assessing is their ability to ferment dietary fibre and to generate vital molecules that positively impact the body. These molecules are known as postbiotics, such as butyrate or butyric acid. It's this compound that research has shown to significantly impact cognitive and mental health. Once more, we enlisted ProDigest for independent verification. Through a technique known as colon on a plate, ProDigest examined how bacteria from human fecal samples reacted in a simulation of a colon environment. We observed that Biotic began the process of fermenting the substrate from the donor poo samples, resulting in the creation of 3 significant postbiotics: acetate, propionate, and butyrate. Increasingly, research is revealing how these postbiotics play a crucial role in maintaining different aspects of our health. ProDigest's findings that Biotic stimulates the production of these essential postbiotics confirms the formulation's comprehensive benefits for both body and mind. To test if we could replicate these laboratory or in vitro findings in humans, we separately conducted a placebo-controlled trial with 33 healthy participants from the Heights Lab community. For this, we conducted analysis of the microbiomes of 33 healthy participants over a span of 2 months. During this controlled study, we examined blood and fecal samples along with self-reported health data collected through validated questionnaires. Throughout the study, we assessed 3 distinct factors: the diversity of the microorganisms within the gut microbiome, mood levels, and the occurrence of gastrointestinal symptoms such as gas and bloating. Maintaining a diverse population of gut bacteria is crucial for our overall well-being. This fact has been extensively studied and is strongly linked to both physical and mental health. In the group that consumed the live bacteria supplement, all participants preserved their natural microbial diversity, while 50% actually experienced an increase. Conversely, in the placebo group, no participants demonstrated an increase in microbial diversity, and 50% even saw a decrease, where the remaining 50% experienced no change. These findings underscore the positive impact of the live bacteria supplement. It not only increased diversity for half the participants, but also shielded the other half from the decline observed in the placebo group. Additionally, the proportion of participants reporting a deterioration in mood was notably lower compared to the placebo group. It's noteworthy again to consider the time of year, a period marked by reduced daylight hours, darker days, and colder temperatures, which typically corresponds to a decline in mood across the general population. Lastly, we aim to assess the effects on gastrointestinal symptoms. Among participants in the live bacteria supplement group who initially reported frequent occurrences of bloating and flatulence, all but one experienced an improvement in these symptoms by week 5 of the study, with the last exception reporting these symptoms as just occasional by the end of the study. Conversely, there were no observable changes in these symptoms within the placebo group. This was a clear confirmation that all our effort and dedication to making a live bacteria supplement based on science-proven results had paid off. If you'd like to learn more about any of the studies or proven benefits mentioned in this video, you can find the full details over on the Heights website under the science section. Thanks for watching.